welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. This video, bit of a bonus video this week. I have this set that was sent to me by Let's Resin. Now some of you will know I now work in affiliation with Let's Resin, so I thought I would show you the kit and what is inside the box. Let's go. Now Let's Resin never actually asked me to do an unboxing video, but I thought it would be so helpful to reference back on my channel, because as I move forward and use these bits and bobs, when I tell people, oh, they came out of the Let's Resin kit, it would be really helpful to be able to show everyone what that kit looked like, what you get in the box, etc. This is a specific beginner's kit. Now, this is so much better than the beginner's kit I got 3 years ago when I started resin. I'm just showing you everything you get in the box here, but I do go into a little bit more detail in a moment. You get quite a lot in the box. Now, I wasn't expecting there to be resin in there, and actually I'm really looking forward to using this. I thought I was just going to get some moulds, so yeah. You know, it's always a little bit exciting when you get more than you expected. The best thing about this kit, I think, from someone who's been doing resin for 3 years, you get a beginner's manual, you get an instruction manual, step by step, how to use it, how to mix it, how to stir it, how to pour it. It really goes into detail on how you use the resin. And I know, because I get a lot of messages regularly from beginner resin artists who want to try resin, but their resin didn't come with instructions. It didn't come with any safety talk at all. So I would say the only thing you need, as well as this kit, would be a respirator, and you are good to go. So the molds, you get a set of 4 molds inside the box. You get a cube and you get this cute little pyramid. I really want to use this. I really can't carry on with the botanicals, but I really would love to do a little botanical scene in there. This one here is like a faceted ruby stone. I can imagine that in transparent red resin. I think that would look gorgeous. This is the mold I'm excited for because I've never tried making a sphere. I'm actually nervous of making a sphere, but there you go. This is the mold. Really handy. You clip it together around the center, and the base comes with a flat cross that enables it to lay flat on your surface like this. So I don't know, to start with I might just make a semicircle because yeah, this kind of stuff scares me out of my comfort zone. And it clips together around the center. You can see me, again, never touched one of these molds, so I don't know how it clips together, but it was quite straightforward, and the ridges meet and they intertwine, and then you can just clip it around like this. I do know that you need hot glue with these molds. I've seen many people using sphere molds, and they all put a line of hot glue around the center to stop any resin pouring out. And there's the hole at the top where you pour your resin in. Handy little lift pouch, but yeah, I'm looking forward to using that. So in the separate bag you get some cups. So you've got 2 large mixing cups, you've got 5 wooden stirrers. Now they really can last you a long while if you look after them. After every time you use them, give them a nice wipe clean, put them to one side, and they will be reusable until the day that you forget to clean them. And you also get 2 pairs of gloves with this kit as well. So like I said, it really is the perfect beginner's kit. If you want to get started in resin, all you'll need apart from this kit is a respirator and some eye protection. So these are the cups. These are really good. I think they're 100 mils cups, and then you've got these little miniature shot glass cups as well, and they all have the measurements on the side, which is super handy if you're doing, because this is a 1-to-1 resin as well, so it's handy to eyeball it. But yeah, you've got some pipettes in there. You get 5 pipettes in total. Again, really handy if you've over poured your resin. You would have seen me do that in videos before. The flowers, I kind of wish I saw them before I did the botanicals, because I think they would have looked really pretty. These are the little pots. You get 6 pots of glitter, 6 pots of the flakes, and here is the resin. It is 1-to-1 ratio, part AB. I would always recommend putting your part A in warm water, no matter the brand. It really helps with movement and flow. Yeah, great beginner's kit, I think. So everything will be linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Bye.